I give thanks for the blessings of this season. I honor the fruits of my labor. I'm grateful for all that I have grown, within and without. I welcome the golden abundance of Lammas. I bow to the earth in reverence and gratitude. I am thankful for the lessons of the growing season. I appreciate the small and great harvests in my life. I see my growth with clear and loving eyes. I give thanks for the sacred cycles of nature. I celebrate the turning of the wheel with joy in my heart. I am charged by the fire of the sun. The light of the sun fills me with life. I carry the warmth of the harvest sun within me. I shine as brightly as the golden rays of Lammas. I honor the sun's power and the life it gives. The solar fire energizes my purpose. I burn away what no longer serves me. I am a spark of divine sunlight. I radiate abundance, joy, and vitality. I honor the sacred balance of light and dark. I am open to receiving abundance in all forms. Prosperity flows to me with the ease of the harvest. I harvest the rewards of my intentions and actions. I plant seeds of wealth and gather golden outcomes. I trust in the cycles of sowing and reaping. My life overflows with blessings. I am rich in spirit, love, and magic. I attract nourishment for my soul and body. I am in divine partnership with the universe's abundance. My heart is full, my table is full, my life is full. I walk in rhythm with the wheel of the year. I honor the goddess and God within and around me. I trust the ancient wisdom of the land. My soul is aligned with the turning seasons. I listen to the whispers of the earth. I am the witch, the weaver, the wise one. Magic flows through me with every breath. I am a living spell of light and shadow. I remember the old ways and carry them forward. I'm guided by the ancestors and spirit allies. My roots are deep and strong like the old trees. I honor the grain, the soil, and the rain. I walk barefoot with reverence. I offer gratitude to the land that sustains me. I am grounded in sacred earth energy. I gather herbs and flowers with intention and care. The land speaks, and I listen. I offer my energy to protect and heal the earth. I'm a guardian of the wild and the fertile. I feel the pulse of the harvest in my bones. I am powerful, like the fire that bakes the bread. I trust in my strength to carry me forward. I embrace who I have become and who I am becoming. I shed the old to make room for the new. I celebrate my inner alchemy. I transform intention into manifestation. I claim my magic with pride and clarity. My will is aligned with divine purpose. I honor my progress, not perfection. I rise with the fire of the sun and the grain. I dance with joy under the summer sun. I celebrate the sweetness of life. My life is a sacred festival. I allow pleasure to nourish me. I laugh, sing, and rejoice in the present moment. I honor my joy as holy. I am worthy of celebration. My life is a ritual of bliss. I am the priestess of my own joy. I celebrate the harvest of my soul. I trust the cycle of release and rebirth. I let go of what is complete with grace. I surrender to the mystery of the coming dark. I trust that endings are also beginnings. I do not cling. I honor the flow. I find beauty in letting go. I allow space for rest and stillness. I honor what has been and bless what is to come. I am held by the turning wheel. I flow with nature's sacred rhythm. I honor the womb of creation within me. I birth new visions with the sacred harvest. I flow with lunar and seasonal cycles. I honor my body as sacred ground. I listen to the whispers of the divine feminine. My womb is a temple of wisdom and power. I bleed with purpose. I rest with pride. I am the maiden, the mother, the crone. I weave the threads of life and death with love. I am the embodiment of Earth's fertility and wisdom. I bake with intention and bless my bread. My kitchen is a cauldron of magic and warmth. I craft rituals that honor the harvest. I speak spells of gratitude and grace. I offer to the land with love and thanks. light candles for the sun and the grain. I honor the spirit of sacrifice and rebirth. I celebrate Lammas with joy, intention, and reverence. I am the witch of the golden fields. I live in harmony with the magic of the seasons.